Hello, I am Dionne with Short and Sweet Languages, and I'm a language teacher, and I teach you conversational Spanish. Today's phrase is, what do you do? So you're starting a conversation with someone you don't know, and you want to know what they do for a living, or just what they do in general in life, and you want to ask, what do you do? The question in Spanish is, ¿a qué te dedicas? ¿A qué te dedicas? Breaking it down, literally, ¿a qué, to what, te dedicas, 2 words, means you dedicate yourself. So the whole question, ¿a qué te dedicas, means to what do you dedicate yourself? So now that you know what it means, let's practice the pronunciation and how you would actually ask it. Let's practice te dedicas. Te dedicas. Yes, repeat after me. Te dedicas. It might seem like a little tongue twister there. Te dedicas. That's a lot of the tongue. Te dedicas. Te dedicas. One more time. Te dedicas. Okay, very good. Now we will practice the whole question, because when you practice the whole question, it is better because of the accents that the sentence or question has. Most of the time, you don't focus on the specific accents of every single word because that would be exhausting. So we speak a certain way, it all flows together. We do that in English as well. So the whole question sounds like this. ¿A qué te dedicas? Right, notice that the accent of the sentence or the question is on qué. To what do you dedicate yourself? ¿A qué te dedicas? Very good. One more time. ¿A qué te dedicas? And one last time. ¿A qué te dedicas? Very good. Keep practicing that, and on the next few videos, we'll go over more sentences about what you would reply to that. So I'll see you on the next video. And also, of course, subscribe, like the video, do all the things so you know when my next Spanish lesson comes up. Okay, see you next time. Nos vemos.